Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video I am going to show you how you can separate the voice from the music, separate vocal and music from the audio. So this video will help you how you can do it. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. So first of all, we go to the website, name is vocally.se, and then drag our audio or drop. So we put audio, we want to separate the music from the audio, and then you can see here the option separate music and vocals. So we click that one. Now you can see here our zip file is ready. So we extract the file here. So here is the two audio, one is vocal, one is the music. So we play first. So this one is the music from the audio, and then this one is the audio. So we already separated the voice and vocal. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. Thank you.